Hey everyone! Trading Bitcoin directly on your charts eliminates the lag between seeing a setup and executing it. In 2026, TradingView has streamlined the crypto trading experience to be faster and more visual. Here is how to execute your first BTCUSD trade without leaving the platform. Step 1. Activating the trade sidebar. We're starting on the main chart. We're heading to the top right corner of the interface. We do this to trigger the order panel, which acts as your primary control center for all brokerage interactions. Click the white Trade button. Since no broker is active yet, the panel will prompt you to select a broker. This is the gateway phase. Step 2. Finding your crypto broker. Now we are in the brokerage selection screen. We're heading to the search bar inside this panel. We do this because TradingView partners with hundreds of brokers, and searching is the fastest way to find a crypto-ready provider, like OKX, Binance, or paper trading. Use the search bar to find your preferred broker. Click Connect on the brokerage logo and follow the login prompts to link your account. We do this for connectivity. Once the handshake is complete, your real-time balance will sync with the TradingView panel. Step 3. Selecting the asset and choosing an order type. We're heading to the order ticket for the BTCUSD pair. We do this to define our entry strategy based on current market volatility. Ensure your chart is set to BTCUSD. The market order. Use this to buy or sell instantly at the current market price. This is best for catching sudden moves where speed is more important than price. The limit order. Use this to set a specific price where you want to enter the market. Your trade will only execute if Bitcoin hits that exact level. This is the best for patient traders who want to minimize slippage. Step 4. Monitoring equity and risk. We're finishing at the bottom account panel. We do this to perform a health check on your capital before and during the trade. The goal is to manage your equity, your total balance plus or minus open profits or losses. Look at the bottom strip of your chart. You will see your balance, equity, and margin used. If your equity drops significantly while a BTCUSD trade is open, you'll know exactly when to cut the trade to protect your remaining capital. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.